population
It's
mean.
like that dude
How
who's
to
like, I
determine
played
with this in
He's like
group.
stuck now.
Okay. First, we may able to know for this is a population.
The screen
Her
from
grammar is killing me. I'm gonna get a brain
her
tumor by the
grammar
grammar problem.
is killing me.
This one, we have the formula. Go back to your symbols. For
Didn't
the
we have this?
population
We
mean, you
already
have
wrote
your,
this.
Yeah, we already have that.
okay, you have
Writing
your,
it. I'm still writing it.
But
for
it's
the
different now.
population mean,
Loneliness is killing me.
Formula.
represent
Finally.
that with symbols. Our symbols is M equals the summation of your X. X is the population, the total population, and then the N is the number of samples. Okay, so example, you have this problem. This is the problem. Okay, you have the number of faculty members in different colleges. These different colleges are the considered as 10 colleges. And then you have the given data. You have 16, 25, 40, 15, 50, 15, 35, and 20. Okay, as far as this now, the formula, based on the formula, you have to sum up all the population data.
Oh.
You
So
get,
just
boys?
all
Sum up
just
all the
all.
population data, and that is considered as your summation of your
What is she discussing?
population. And
Population
then it by,
on
what is our formula?
statistics.
Divide it by the population size. What is our population size? How many data you have?
Statistic.
Count now. How many data you have?
Isn't
1,
that
2,
isn't
3, 4,
Nine.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Nine.
9. Okay, 9. You have 9. Okay, these
nine?
9 data that is to be added, and that is considered as your population size. And you have how many colleges?
10.
10.
10. So these 10 colleges
White Philip.
considered as your population size.
Philip's here.
Yeah,
Get now?
here.
Okay,
What's
you
his
add
name?
all the datas, and the total of all the
What?
datas that
Name.
is your
Oh, I thought he's
population
talking this
Lagi.
or the summation of your population, and then divided by the population size, and that is your population mean. Okay, add now, solve. Represent the formula. Population mean equals the summation of population divided by the N. N is the population size, capital N. And then you have your M also. Take the symbols
Is
now
M
for the population mean.
population? Like capital M or
The cursive, capital M. Am I right? For that? Okay.
Cursive. Damn, bitch.
You add the datas. Total as your
Bro, she's not writing it. Write
sum
it.
of population or the summation
What?
of
I
your
got-
population.
What
I
do you
got
solve?
236.
How do you
I got
solve this? Do you just add it all?
I got 206. 236.
Of your
Population.
summation of or the sum of population. And then divided by the population size, which is how many?
9.
How many colleges?
10.
Colleges. The colleges.
10.
10. Okay, divide it by 10.
10. 10. 23.6.
236.
23.6.
Okay, that is your population mean.
3.6.
That's the way how will you solve
that-
your population mean. Okay, for this
I
one.
think so.
Population mean.
I'll beat your
Write
record.
this quick.
Okay, those are now in your
9, 8.
population mean. And then we go now for what you call the other methods for this the mean for the group data in a short way. It is consisting of 4 columns. Okay, ito yun, medyo maganda ito. Kasi ito parang chicken feed nyo lang, no? Okay, so I hope na
Yo, Khaled, just
perfect
message
ito
me if
sa
you can
exam.
play Valorant.
Position all in your quiz. I'll give your quiz on supposedly today, no? Puno na kayo sa quiz ngayon. So, shall we have on Sunday? Sunday na lang, ha? Okay. So, you have 25 for your quiz on Sunday. It's all about the population mean and this one, the mean for the group data in a short method. Okay, so the frequency, we have what you call this, the assume. On this topic, we will assume our mean. Okay, so you check the given data and then assume that as your mean. And then you have the frequency. And then you have now the, what you call your positive and the negative numbers. Okay, the integers, but you have to assign that in your base in your mean. Okay, so this is how it is. And that is called as a sample mean. Okay, looking for the sample mean which is in the group data in a short method. The formula. Dito for this mean or finding the mean for group data in a short method. Okay, so we have your example.
What is this?
Copy first the send. You have your assume mean, am I right? Look at your formula. Your sample mean, because we sample this one, sample mean is equals to your assume mean plus the summation of your product and of the frequency and deviation, F and D, divide by your sample size, multiply by your interval. So we will look
Dude,
for
we have
the
a
interval, we will look for the
problem.
frequency and the deviation.
It's
Okay, and
13.
this one, all of this which is enclosed by the open and the
Wait,
closed
that's it.
parenthesis, there is what you call the steps. Okay, how? First, we will look for your assume mean. How to look for the assume mean? Okay, so this is your middle or your mean, your assume mean divided by 2. You add your assume mean because there are the frequency of this one. The frequency, you have this example. Problem. Then I will one by one for the step. Problem. A frequency distribution of the score in statistic third year of the 34 BSN students. Okay, bachelors of nursing. Okay, Here are now your samples. But what will you do this under? You have to do the column. 4 column. First, your X. That is your sample. And then you have your frequency. F. Column, you have your D. And na last is your FD. Okay. The given data I will give you, you put under
Formula.
X. You draw a column now. Draw a line, column. Okay, these are now the datas. Divide it into a line, a straight line. The
Fuck,
X,
this is sad.
and then the F, the D,
What?
and also the FD. You put a line, or you do not, or you don't put. Okay, so
It got difficult
straight
already.
line only. Divide by X by a straight line. You have already? Khalid, you do it? Do on this way. Look at boys.
What does she mean by line?
And then the data I will give, put that into column X. I'll give the datas now. Okay, that is the first data in X. All I give is for X. 35 to 39. I'll give first the X. Then you have next 30 to 34. Next, all this data under the X.
Literally to
X.
What?
35 to 39, that is the first data. 30 to 34, that is the second data. You write this 30, 34 below the 35, 39.
What? Show it. She's not showing.
Okay, next data is 25 to
Under the
29.
What?
Next is
Rashid.
20
Rashad.
to 24.
Ha, he can hear me. He can hear me.
Next is 15 to 19. Next
I'm confused.
Can someone
is 10
put it on the chat? How it's supposed
to
to be written?
14. Last data is 5 to 9. Okay. Put that all under the X column. Like this one. Look at boys, para masunod nyo, makuha nyo.
All of that on the X column. Oh my god.
And then may I see your work? Khalid, may I see your work?
really
Because we will solve for the frequency.
Wait, what?
Ayan.
Wait, where do these stats belong?
The bottom of
You copy the X first.
Jesus
that's
Christ,
so
we're
nice.
gonna
Service is there.